Like this angle is for my double chin. Can you please?
तो सौम्या की स्पेलिंग है SOWMY SOUMYAA and the AA stands for acidity and anxiety. ये हम हैं और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है गोवा में.
हेलो पेशेंट दीदी, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? बढ़िया. दिखा तेरा इंजेक्शन का मार्क दिखा. देख लो गाइस, वेरी गुड. इसने तो पीक गोवा एक्सपीरियंस ले लिया. पहली गोवा ट्रिप में ही हॉस्पिटल जाके एडमिट हुई है. वेरी वेरी गुड.
It's the experience. You have to do it.
फॉर द प्लॉट.
For the plot.
फॉर द प्लॉट. हाउ आर यू लुकिंग बॉबीज? हाउ इज द वेट? चलो गर्लिस, लेट्स गो. Okay, let's go. This is where we've come for brunch, Caravella. Brunch kya? It's almost lunch time. This is my all-day Goan breakfast. Poi bread, keema, scrambled eggs with pork chorizo and hash browns. Shefali के पास यहाँ पे एक croissant है with some egg and chicken ham there. This is a raw omelette with poi bread. That is an eggs benedict with pork ham. And this is an eggless pancake with Nutella and banana. ये तो party हो रही है guys. I'm gonna start with the keema. This is the chicken keema, bobbies. Oh wow. Oh, that's really good. Really fucking good. भाई साहब हमारा French toast भी आ गया है. And just look at the portion sizes, man. Very generous.
Bro, I eat French toast only in Goa.
That's a really good French toast. Pancakes try करते हैं. I'm gonna make myself a big bite. This is a Nutella and banana pancake. सौम्या कह रही है कि you need to try these pancakes with her coffee. This is a latte and oat milk.
Exactly.
That combination.
Exactly. It's so bitter, but it's so well with
It goes so well. अभी हम eggs benedict खाने वाले हैं and देसी स्टाइल में खाएंगे हाथ से उठा के because it's massive. Explosion आना है.
Yep.
That's a good meal. That's a good breakfast. Everybody is leaving happy from here. I have satisfied 3 women at once. Bobbies, हम लोग काजू शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. Goa is famous for the kaju. Soumya wants to take some
Kokum.
And kokum also, yes. This is the kokum which is used to make the curries.
And cocktails and
Cocktails,
sharbat,
everything.
everything.
ये बेवड़ी है ना, इसको तो चाहिए ही. अब हम जाएंगे सब पानी में डुबकी मारेंगे गाइस. Look at that. भाई साहब पार्टी हो गई. सौम्या चेहरा दिखा. पूरी मिट्टी इसके और मेरे मुंह पे अबे डरा रही है अभी तक. पाँव देखो, जिन जिन को फीट पसंद है, फ्री फीट गाइस, फ्री फीट. आज तो शिफाली भी गई भाई पानी में.
I went yesterday also.
बट टुडे मच डीपर.
Yeah.
सौम्या जल्दी आ. हाउ वाज इट पानी में?
बिग मैन को छींक आ रही थी बस.
मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं मेरा गाइस. ये गैंग अप कर रहे हैं मेरे पे. पीक मजा आ गया भाई. सभी लोग बीच से अभी निकल रहे हैं. हम लोगों ने नहा धो लिया है. And now it's time to go to the pool. The party doesn't end here, guys. When you're in Goa, you're partying all day, all night long.
Stay hydrated though.
Stay hydrated, yes. Stay hydrated, huh? Very important.
Or you have to party in the hospital.
Yeah, or you'll party in the hospital. Hello, patient Didi. Please. ये देख रहे हो अपनी water queen को. The funny part is she's been in water all day long, but yet she ended up in the hospital because she was not hydrated.
Girl math, guys.
Girl man.
Straight girl math. I'll drown.
You won't drown. डूबेगी?
नहीं. Go in
नहीं ना?
इतना है, you can float. I'm on my tippy toes. बहुत deep है.
अरे सब है दुनिया जा गया.
Really deep यार. They make it deeper over.
गाइज रूम में वापस आ चुके हैं. लोग यूजुअली दारू पीते हैं, हम चाय पी रहे हैं. गोवा आके चाय पी रहे हैं और ये गुरलीन फ्रेंच फ्राइज खा रही है. एक्चुअली सारी लड़कियां फ्रेंच फ्राइज खा रही हैं. गाइज ये लड़कियों का वीकनेस होता है फ्रेंच फ्राइज, राइट? फ्रेंच फ्राइज एंड ओके मोमोज लड़कों का वीकनेस. चलो यार कोई चाय डाल दो यार कटोरी में प्लीज. फ्राइज आर गुड.
Fries are very crispy and nice. Yeah.
चाय पी लो फ्रेंड्स.
थोड़ा सा.
जिंजर कम है. जिंजर है भी कि नहीं? जिंजर शायद नहीं है.
Bobbies, it's now time for dinner. Soumya and Gurleen have left. They've gone to their hotel. We are now going for dinner date without them. Alright, we spent the entire day with them. We're tired of them now, right? Let patient Soumya go home and rest. We shall go and eat some good food.
I've spoken so less in this vlog.
That's you in general, right?
Do you all miss me?
Yeah, do you all miss Shefali's commentary?
We will start it now. I was on Monvrat till now.
Very good. I enjoyed that phase.
Fuck you.
So Bobbies, we've come to Kasmi restaurant for dinner. Something new that we're trying out. We've heard from a local that it's good, so let's see. This is the vibe here at Casme. We've ordered a lot of food because I was a little short on protein. So we have our lean meat, we also have our red meat, and we also have our fish. So perfect.
And you also have chef.
भाई हमारा चिल्ली चिकन आया and I forgot to vlog it. We literally just gobbled it up. But you know, the funny part is, it tastes like there is Maggi masala in this. है ना? We're now eating some chicken tikka bobbies. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि आज प्रोटीन थोड़ा कम है. I started my day with a protein shake and then that breakfast that you guys saw. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, whatever you want to call it. But since then, I've not had any protein. So, chicken tikka now. The rest of the food is also here. There's a fish fry, fish curry, rice, and another chicken tikka. Trying out this new fish curry bobbies. Very similar to what we ate yesterday.
Bobbies, we've come to Bar Sogo for dessert. This was on the way back to our property, so we're gonna check it out. We really need some dessert today because dinner was quite light, wasn't it, chef?
Yeah.
It was heavy on protein, no doubt about that, but it was light on calories. It's on the first floor of this villa. I'm not too sure what this place is. We just saw it on the map and we came in, but it says Sogo Bar and Grill. This is the vibe here at Sogo. Proper fine dining, huh? Did you like Shefali's dress? She flicked it from a friend. It's not hers.
Stole it from a friend.
It's nice though, right?
It's pretty.
Pretty neat. I really liked it. Simple, and it's something that doesn't take a lot of effort to put on and remove. This is the dessert that Shefali and I have ordered. They call it the Night Garden. This is a chocolate mousse, chocolate cake, pista paste, katifi, and what is this, bro? Edible flowers and edible leaf. I'm gonna try the cake first. On top there's a pista paste and the bottom is the katifi.
Mmm. Yum, bro.
Yummy, huh?
Like that pista
Uh-huh.
kunafa thing. Mmm.
That pista paste is too good.
Too good.
You guys must be wondering, right? Okay, Mohit did not get his veggies today. Yellow guys, I'm eating my greens, okay?
I don't think anybody thought of that. Lame you are.
You think that's a lame joke? I thought that was funny. Can I have the last bite?
As long as you order another one.
As long as I order another dessert. What are you saying? Have we not had enough today?
No.
In that case, Bobbies, we're going for dessert number 2 as well. Here only?
Yeah.
Okay. Very interesting how they've done up this place. This is their outdoor seating area and it overlooks a paddy field. I guess you guys can't see right now, but I think during daytime also this is a pretty place. And even nighttime it's not like it's any bad. The indoor seating is also damn aesthetic. Bobbies, we have the toasted brioche here with some ice cream. What ice cream do you think that is? I think that's tender coconut.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it now.
Any good?
It's vanilla ice cream.
She's right, it's vanilla ice cream. It goes really well together.
That's true.
And this dessert is a little heavy now.
Yeah, because it's bread now.